Hi, I'm Jovana Ledesma. I teach at Ingenium Charter Middle School in California, and I currently teach 6th grade. The way that Stile compared to what I was using in the past is that it was a lot more engaging for students. It was more hands-on, but I like the live poll questions. I like the brainstorming activities that they can do live. It saves a lot of paper. I also enjoyed the real-life connections, like the videos that are there, the simulations. I know when they're not engaged in the lesson or they're not involved, and I could see their participation. Stile has helped me support ELL students by allowing me to be able to narrate for students in their language, and as well as to help support our struggling readers. The visual component as well, as far as videos, simulations, those things are something that our ELL students can make a connection with because they're able to see it happen in the moment. To other educators that are considering using Stile, I say do it. Use it. It's a great program that allows customization, especially for the different needs of our students. And so I think it's something wonderful that we're able to edit, we're able to add questions, add media to the questions. Every lesson there's an aha moment because you can see it in their eyes. You can see when they finally make the connection of what you've been saying, what they've been reading, what they've been using in the simulation, and it kind of clicks. And when it clicks, you can see it in their faces, and it's like inspirational because they feel motivated because they got it, they feel more confident, and I feel good about it because I was able to get them there.